Hello, Alex here with Edina Realty. I hope you're having a great day. I'm going to share something with you that might upset you a little bit. Summer's almost over, okay? And I want to give you some food for thought, and that would be that if you are considering selling your home, and it just could very well end up being that you end up selling in the depths of the Minnesota winters, take this into consideration. I believe that there are two really good times to film exterior drone footage of your home and get professional photos done. And I think that's like literally right now in the midst of July, where the flowers are at their bloomiest, or bloomiest, whatever you want to say. Beautiful colors are everywhere. And number two would be like the 30 seconds in the fall that we have of, beautiful foliage on the trees. Two really good times to get this done, trust me, because if you're listing your home in February and you have those photos, like, you are 100% standing out amongst the competition. So not only are we doing exterior photos with my awesome photographer, we are doing drone footage as well, as long as you're not in like a no-fly zone and it's allowed where you live. So I have started a list. If you would like to get on that list to get those photos done, do not hesitate to reach out, no obligation. Let me know, because I would certainly love to get a spot saved for you, whether that's this month or maybe it is September, October, whatever that may be. I'm here to help. So reach out. I would love to hear from you. Now go enjoy the bloomy day. Cheers.